Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tekno Genius channel. Kling AI can be used for free, but that is also conditional. Examples like this. When we want to make something, the free account will be removed first by Kling, so you have to wait for free time to make something. And even if it is possible, the manufacturing process is also quite long. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to access Kling AI for free and unlimited. But before continuing, click the like and subscribe button to get the latest information from Tekno Genius. Okay, straight away friends, let's open LumaLabs. The link is in the description. Just log in with your Google email. Let's look at the amount of credit he gives friends. Here you will be given credit of 3,000, which is enough to generate various kinds. Next, we move on to making it. Here I have prepared several model image files and videos. Then I input the pictures and videos. Then, on the video, right-click and select Extract Start Frame. If you have downloaded the image first. The next step is that we will create our model to imitate the start frame of the video where the character will be replaced. On the empty canvas, right-click and select New Image, then select Banana Pro. Then upload two images, namely, the new character model and start frame image. Then enter a prompt like this. Then for the settings I made it like this. Okay, the results are out, friends. Let's download them again first. Next, in the video that we uploaded, right-click and select Modify Video, then select Kling 2.6. Then we upload the character that was created earlier. For the prompt, we just leave it blank, and for the resolution, I just choose 720 to save credits. Then click Create and wait for the results. Okay, here are the results. Okay, now let's test again with a different video. Let's first look for the video on TikTok. Okay, maybe we'll try this one. We copy the URL, then we will download it. Just search on Google for TikTok downloader. Okay, after that, we will repeat the previous steps as before, but for this photo model, I will use the famous model, namely, Lisa Blackpink. And here are the results. Next, we'll try another video. This time I'll try the one playing the drums. Method is the same. but this time I made the prompt for the picture like this prompt. Let's look at the image results first. Okay, pretty good, where Lisa is playing drums. Now we make it into a video. The method is the same, but this time there is an additional prompt to emphasize that the character is playing the drums. After that, click Create. And here are the results. How are you, friends? It's quite easy to use Kling AI for free. That's our video this time. If you like it, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video.